everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm gonna share with you a few tips and tricks to answer this question, what are your hobbies? So before that আমি এই কথাষাৰ জানা necessary that interest হেতু হয় যোনটো আমি time পালে কৰো আৰু hobby হেতু হয় যাৰ কাৰণে আমি time উলিয়াও. Now the question is, why interviewer asking you the question? So just to know you as a person and your personality and where your interests lie. Thumb rule to follow: keep your explanation short and concise, and secondly, connect your hobbies with your job. So for an example, my favorite hobby is traveling because I love discovering new places and cities around the world, and I often plan trips with my friends and family, and every year I look forward to exploring new places and catching up some lifetime memories. So I believe that tumaleke yatse dhuniya se answer to diba in your own words, and make sure koriba that follow up questions or answer khinio ekeloge eta answer dibole, because this will spark the interviewer's interest in your profile. So he bostu to dhyan dile hol, and it doesn't matter either it's a tell me something about yourself question hok ya your hobbies. So follow up questions or preparation always kori jaba, then you won't face any kind of bombardment. So this is all about it, and thank you so much for watching this video, and please do subscribe. Thank you so much.